Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are back at the notorious Gallows Corner on the 14th of the 3rd, 2026. We're going to have another look at the flyover and roundabout to see if anything has changed since the last time we were here, which was about a week ago. I'm going to come in and out during the video to let you see for yourself what changes have been made. As we can see already, the flyover now looks like both sides have had the railings fully fitted. And obviously the tarmac. It's all looking good. Feels like the flyover hasn't got long to go now. At either side, where the ramps are for the vehicles to go up onto the flyover or come off here, they're not finished yet. But we're nearly there. As you can see here, all the rebar is in place and it's getting ready for the cement. This will form part of the slope for the flyover itself. I do love new tarmac. I just wish we had new tarmac around the area. Unfortunately, most of it is potholes. As you can see here, there are still mains works being carried out. So they've still got quite a bit of that left to do. The pipework doesn't appear connected. I'm no expert, but I heard they were going to do pressure testing, so obviously all that's got to be connected before they can get to that. So I'm not sure what's going on. As we come along now, we can see the other mains pipe area with the large hole. And to be honest with you, that looks exactly the same as it did last week. It doesn't seem to be any change there at all. So I'm not really sure what stage they are at with these mains works. You can also see the lorries here. Not sure what they're for. They look like lime painting lorries, but I can't actually see any lime painting going on at the moment, so I'm not certain. What we can clearly see though is just how little space they seem to be. Even if these lorries move over a bit, it still looks tight. I really can't imagine two Arctics going over this flyover comfortably. If they do, I can't see it being a 30-mile-an-hour flyover. I would have thought it would be more like 20 miles an hour. This part here used to be 2 lanes and then went into 1, heading towards London bound traffic. I think it's going to be completely 1 lane, but we'll have to wait and see. As you can see, all the curb is in for the pavement on the left. Some black cover there. I assume that they may have some wet cement there, so they're covering it to protect it. As we move back towards Gallows Corner roundabout again, this side doesn't seem to have a great deal going on. It looks like they're just finishing bits off. I was wondering whether, because of that gap, it might be where they put some kind of crossing for pedestrians. Not sure. We'll have to see. See, I know it can be a bit deceiving because we're up high, but it really doesn't look like there's a lot of space, does it? Imagine them two lorries going each way over that flyover. That seems really tight to me. Well, we're going to have to see. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And remember, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Till next time.